Hello everyone and welcome to JavaScript Level 1. Welcome to the first JavaScript section of the course. This section will begin to build our understanding of adding interactive functionality to our websites. And JavaScript support is actually built directly into most modern web browsers. That means we can run JavaScript directly into the browser console or as a full .js script that we connect to an HTML file, which means there's nothing to download right now. JavaScript is also a full programming language, meaning unlike HTML or CSS, it supports things such as arrays, loops, and general logic. We will briefly cover major programming concepts as we encounter them with JavaScript. Eventually, we're going to be showing you how to use JavaScript to directly change the HTML or CSS shown on a page, and we're really going to touch on that topic in the Document Object Model or DOM or DOM section of the course. To begin with, however, we're going to be focusing on just the JavaScript basics all by itself. Okay, so we're going to start off with JavaScript just straight in the browser console, and later on, we'll show you how to connect full .js scripts to an HTML file. All the code used in this section can be found as .js scripts under the JavaScript Level 1 folder. Let's get started. I'll see you at the next lecture.